Hello, welcome back. This is number 12 again, but what I've done, I've put some different rules in just to see how differently the puzzle will play out. Made the same start on it, and I just thought I'd have a go and see how it goes. And I thought I'd do a recording, and if it works out okay, I'll play that one for you too, just as a different one to try. I was just going to put a link there, and I thought, oh, you might want to see the solution, so I'll just do a quick solution of this one. Also, it's got the same start, same rules as the other one, so I won't bother going through all those, and it's got the same start, so I'll just quickly do the start again that we had before. So that's got a 7, 1, 3, 5, that was a 6, 8, 9, and that was an 6, 9 with an 8 in there, and that had to be a 2, 4, I'll put that in like this, that had to be a 2, 4 pair. And that wasn't a 5, so that was how that one started. This one over here had to be a 2, 8, and then that had to be a 7, 8, 9 with a definite 7, and that was a 1, not an 8, sorry, 7, oops, 7, 6, because that'd be 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that was the start we had on the other one. Now what I've done differently in this one, I've put a light here, which shows that this goes through, so we can get that as a starter. So that one there has to equal that one there, so now that has to be a 4, and that has to be a 4 at that end of that line as well, because it's a palindrome line, they have to be symmetrical. Gives us that one there, and that 14 gives us a 3, 7 there. That gives us 7 there, and we don't know what that is yet. And that 7, 2 gives us a 9 there. I'm not sure if we can do this one yet. 1, 3, oh, that can't be a 1 there. So 1, 3, 5, that can be, it can't be a 4, it can be a 5, 6. It can't be an 8 because that's a little blue line there, so this goes there up to there. That one can't be a 7, that one's got to be an 8 though, doesn't it? Now, oh, 5, 6, no, it could be a 6. So that could be a 6 or an 8, and then that one up there has to be a 7, 6, 7, an 8, or a 9. Can't be, oh, there's an 8 there. 7, 9, so that one can only be a 9, so that gives us that spot there. So then, can we get any of these from that? That can't be a 5 before a 5 or a 6, can it? So that one has to be a 3. So that's the 1, and that's the 5. Can't tell those ones just yet though. Okay, so that's about, I think that's about all. Get rid of that 9 there. We don't have any pairs. I think that's all we can do there with that, but now we can do something with these sandwich sums instead. So I've taken out those green lines and the arrows, and I've basically just got sandwich sums instead. So a little bit different the way it all works out. It's amazing how just changing a couple of rules can change the whole puzzle. So okay, this one here, we'll start with this one, the sandwich sum here, that can't be a 9. We need at least 3 up there, and they have to be 9 or 10, so they have to be 2 squares, so the 9 has to go there. I can't find where the 0, oh, can we find the 0? No, not yet. Can't find the 4 yet. This one has to be a 9 though. So to get 9, you can't have 3 things adding up to 9 without a 1. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yes you can, 2, 3, 4, sorry. We could have 2, 3, 4 in there, or we could just have 2 things. So the 1 has to go there or there. Oh, here's an easy one here. That one, 0, has to be a 9 there. That resolves that one down there straight away. There's a 9 here. That has to be a 6. So it's either 9, 6 something, or 9, what we have, 4, 2, you can't have a 5, 1, so there's a 1 either there or there as well. And in this one here, okay, we can't have a 9 there at all, so the 9 has to go one of those spots, because we can't have a 9 there either. And then this has to be 9, 5, 1. Oh, it could be 9, 2, 3, could it? No, it can't be 9, 2, 3 because there's a 2 there, so it's got to be a 9, 5, 1. So we've either got 951 or 951. So and one of those then's a 5. I can't tell where they go just yet, can we? We might be able to figure this out here over here though. What can we have here? 5, 6, 7, 9. The 9 can't go there now, so we have to have a 9 there or there. It obviously can't go there on that thermometer because it's got to continue up there. So that means that it has to be a 9 now. And that means this one had to be a 7. And then we've got a 5, 6 pair there. Whoops, not, sorry. 5, 6, 5, 6. Then that one from a 5 could be, in fact, has to be a 6. Then that one has to be a 7 or an 8. That one has to be a 5, and that's a 6. That gives us these ones. And now, because that can't be a 5 there now, that means the 951 has to go here. So that's a 9, a 5, and a 1. That's not a 1. What's left in here? 1, a 2, and a 3. The 2 goes there, the 3 goes there. 5 in here. Oh, we've done that one. What's left though? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 has to go there and there. That one's a 7, and that's an 8. What's left in here? 1, 2, 2 has to go up there. 3, 4 could go anywhere, and 6 could go anywhere, so it's not very useful just yet. Okay, what other sandwich ones? We've got this one here, had to be 9. So we could have 2, 3, 4 in there. Let's put the options in. 2, 3, 4, or it had to be a 9 and a... well, those two had to add up to 9. So for them two to add up to 9, you could have 4, 5, or 6, 3. We have 7, 2. No, there's 2 7s there, and 8, 1. Can't have 8, 1 here, sandwich some because of the 1 already. So they're the only options that could be there. Just get rid of the ones that don't apply. And obviously that can be a 1 as well. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. That could be a 1 like that as well, but we don't know. That doesn't help resolve that one, sadly. Now what else can we do? Well, actually, looking at the 9s, you can't have a 9 there or there. The 9 can't go there, 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 or there. So we could have a 9 there in this row. I'll just put this possible spots. 9 could go there or there in this column. It's only 3 spots, isn't it? Can't go there or there. So because it's a 0, if it was there, it would have to be there. If it was down here, that one actually isn't possible now that I look at that, because you'd have to have the 1 there. So it can't be that one. It could be that one with a 1 there or there. And actually, the more I look at that one, because you've got to have a 1 here, 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 or here, that's like an X-wing thing, you can't have a 1 there as well. So that can't be the 1, 9 there. So it's got to be this one down here. Can't tell where at this stage though. That might help tell us where this one is though. A 9 with a 4 in the middle. You can't have a 3, 1 between a 1 and a 9 now, so it's got to be 9, 4, 9. So that one's down there, it can't be down there. It can't be here. The 9, the only spot the 9 can go is there, isn't it? 9 can't go there, there. Can't go there, there. We can have a 9 there. And we can't have one down here now because of that. So that's got to be the 9, and we need a 9, 4, 1. So it can go 4, 1 there, or 4, 1 there. Can it go? No, it can't go there because there's a 1, going to be a 1 in that box there. So this has to be 9, 4, 1 down there. That gets rid of that one. And now that, what did I say? They had to be 2, 3, 4, didn't I? So it's not 2, 3, 4 because we can't have 2 or 3 there now. or a 4 now. Oh, we must have had a 4 there before. So that means it's not 2, 3, 4. In fact, that means that's the 1 there, and we've got to have a pair there. So that means this one's the 1 here, and that one's the 1 there. And these two have to add up to 9. It's got to be 6, 3. And these two have to add up to 6, which has to be 4, 2. Can't be 5, 1. So that's got to be the 4, and that's got to be the 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 goes there. And I think they've done all the clues now. They've done that one, done that one, done that one, done that one, done that one. I haven't done this one here between the 21 and the 9. I could put that 9 in as a definite, can't I? Because I said it couldn't go. Yeah, it's definitely got to be a 9 there at least. I just don't know where the 1 is. So what can go in here? That's 11. They've got to add up to 10. It can be an 8 there and a 2 there. Can't be a 7, 3. Can't be a 6, 4. And we can't have a 9, 1. So it's got to be an 8, 2 there. That's all that's left. And we still don't know where that 1 is, but that's all the clues now completed, I think. So hopefully we can just do this by normal Sudoku. 1, 2 there. Oops. 1. Oh, there's a 2 there. Oh, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Sorry, not just 2. Where's the 8 and the 5? There's a 5 because there's an 8 there. And there's an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 has to go there. 6 has to go there. Up here we have 1, a 2, a 3, and 5, and a 7. 2, 3, 7. And I'll just put them in like that for now. It's not looking like it will come out, but we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. I should be a bit more careful with what I put in now. 4, 5, 8 has to go in those ones. That's not an 8 and not an 8, which means the 8 must go there. What else can we get? Can't get that one yet. Can I? Oh, actually, with the numbers going both these ways, I'm like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, actually, that one's a 6 because we've got 7, 8, 9, everything but a 6. So that's a 6. Where's another one with lots of numbers? What about this one? 1, 2, 3. We've got a 4. We've got a 5. Got a 6. Got a 7. Got an 8. Got a 9. That one's a 4. So just, yeah, doing some normal Sudoku, this might actually come out. What's missing? There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 there. That gives us that one has to be the 1. And what about this one here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got an 8, 9 pair there. So that's an 8 and that's a 9. And then what goes in here? I'll just put me 1, 2, make it a bit quicker. 3, 4, 5, 6 has to go there. That one's a 3. That's a 5. That's a 6. This has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 4. So that one's a 3. That's a 4. That's a 5. And this one has to be 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. Just save me looking at them. I'm being a bit lazy now. Just to see if it comes out. It looks like it's going to come out actually. 1, 7 pair there. That's a 7 up there. Oh, that's a funny 7. That's a 7 now. That's a 1. That's a 7. Not a 7. There's a 4 up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, an 8 and a 2, 3. The 8 can't go there, and the 8 can't go there. It has to go there. 2, 3 pair. Nope. Let's put that in. Oh, still look like we were a bit stuck, but maybe not. 1, 2, 3 has to go there. I think that's a 3, isn't it? Yep. What do we need here? Now we've got not a 3 there. And that needs a 1 and 2, 3, 4, I think, looks like. And that gives us those two, 4, 1. And we need a 2 and 3 or 5 in there. And this one has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 6. Not a 3 and not a 6. And these two have to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. And have we got something here that comes out somewhere? Please be a pair or something. There is. There's a pair of 3s, 2 3s there, which gives us that one's a 6. And there's no other pairs, but we can probably solve this cage. That's probably the point of this cage. 4 from 13 is 9. So that has to be 7, 2, doesn't it? No other combinations of 9 there. 7, 2, and that will resolve these ones. So there you go. Looks like it wasn't going to come out there for a minute, but it did. Yeah. Anyway, not that exciting of a puzzle, but a bit different to the other one. It's just interesting how you can change a few little rules and it changes the whole way the puzzle comes out. Anyway, I'll post that one for you anyway. You can give it a go if you're interested. And I will see you on the next one.